Little weather update from St. Pete Beach. Got a little bit of flooding. See if I can get a shot of it. There we go. Should I go through the light?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just ran that light like some gangsters.
Yeah, I guess people don't stop for lights when the road's got water in it, huh? Yeah, here's how high the tide is. Can't really tell other than over there on that dock. There's usually at least a couple feet underneath that dock over there. Let me see if I can see that in there.
Look how high tide it is.
Of course, you know, because the window is not gonna give you too good of a shot. Birds flying around.